To fix Cash App verification, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon and select Support, then Something Else, and finally, Account Status. Verify that your account information is accurate and up to date, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure the name on your Cash App account matches the name on your government-issued ID. If you have recently changed your name or address, update your account information accordingly. Next, check if you have provided the required verification documents. Cash App requires a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. To verify your identity, take a clear and well-lit photo of your ID and upload it to the app. Ensure the photo is not blurry or distorted, as this can cause verification issues. If you are still having trouble with verification, try restarting the app and attempting the verification process again. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues that may be preventing verification. Additionally, ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for the Cash App. An outdated or incompatible device may cause issues with the verification process. Check the Cash App website for the latest system requirements and update your device if necessary. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Cash App support directly for further assistance. They can provide more detailed guidance and help resolve any verification issues you may be experiencing. Be prepared to provide your account information and any relevant documentation to support your verification request.